I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on an unsupported Windows 10 device. So this is if your PC health checker has been telling you that you can't update to Windows 11, follow this tutorial. So you're going to go to the first link in the description and scroll to the bottom where it says download ISO image. You're going to click on the drop down and click Windows 11. Click download now. Select your language. I'm going to be using English. Click confirm. And now download the file. Once that's done, go to the second link in the description to Rufus. You're going to open it and you're going to scroll to the bottom and click on the first exe, download it, and open it. And then when you open it, you're going to click on your USB device that you've plugged in, your flash drive, your thumb drive. You're going to select on your ISO file and put that in. You're going to leave everything as default, don't mess with anything, and then just click start. And you're going to want to make sure these are checked. Remove requirements and remove requirements for Microsoft account if you want that. I also recommend disabling data collection, disabling BitLocker, and QoL improvements if you don't want like Microsoft bloat. And then click OK. And then it will destroy all the data on the thumb drive. So if you have anything on there, make sure it's removed before you go ahead. And then just click OK. And then wait for the thumb drive to finish. Now to get Windows 11 installed on the computer you're trying to upgrade, remove the thumb drive from the computer you just installed it on. If this is the same computer, don't do anything. Plug the thumb drive into the other computer that you're trying to upgrade, turn it on, and log in. Now in the bottom left, click on the power button and click the shift button at the same time you click the restart button. Continue holding down the shift button until you see a blue screen. When the blue screen opens up, it'll look something like this. When you get to the screen, click on the use a device button. You have to use the arrow keys to navigate. Click enter, and then it'll bring up a screen of different devices that you can use, and click on the thumb drive that you just put in the computer. And then once you do that, it'll reboot, and it should bring you right to the Windows 11 installation process. And then just proceed with that. And one tip is when you get to the enter a product key page, go to the bottom left and click I don't have a product key, and you can get Windows 11 installed for free.